Hello guys and welcome on Indicators overview of LG dryer RC. So the first indicator, it's a just drying function. There we have a drying clothes for ironing. This is a clothes for wardrobe. This icon, it's a cooling system. By this one, this is for of course this is a sound off or on indicator. This one, it's this indicator is lights up when you have to put in or clean the fluff filter. This is an indicator of full water tank water. There we have the Wi-Fi, and this is an icon for cleaning of the capacitor. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment. Thank you.